Hello everyone, my name is Anmol Deep and I am from Dhanbad, Jharkhand. I have done my graduation from Techno India Kolkata and also my data science course. So I have experienced a very interactive and good session in IIBS. Like in the mom session, we have played Sarktank and bidding games in the classroom. And yeah, it was also a nice session. We danced there and enjoy a lot. We have also gone for an ALP program which was really nice. Like there we have done rock climbing and tree climbing, these type of activity. We have stayed in the camp. And it was an overall good experience. The city Ramnagar, which was really a good place. So we have also gone on an industrial visit in the food processing factory in which they export various type of frozen foods to Spain. We have also visited Pyramid Valley, which was a type of meditation center. I had a great experience meditating in the pyramid and it was overall a great experience. Thank you IIBS for giving me this wonderful opportunity.